So welcome to the unboxing of the Xiaomi Smart Camera C701. And before we start actually seeing what's inside the box, let's just read what the camera gives you in terms of service. So on the right hand side, it tells you human tracking, pet detection, baby crying detection, and the latest chip, I guess from Xiaomi. And then on the other side, it tells you 4K recording, so that's 8 megapixels. You have physical lens blocking, high light clarity in backlight, and ultra low light color mode. So that's some of the features that are available with this specific smart camera. So now let's go ahead and open it up. Again, you could choose to use it with either Alexa or your Google Home system. It's completely up to you. So at the very top, we have a miniature box that if we open it up, you'll see your charger, which includes your cable as well as your charging head, and some essential documents as well as the mount for the smart home camera. So your mount, your charger, and the documents. And then below that, you'll actually find your Xiaomi Smart Camera. So this is how it looks like just out of the box. And there you go. So this is the Xiaomi Smart Camera C701. Thanks for watching. If you're curious as to more tutorials as how you're going to set up this specific brand of smart camera, feel free to leave any questions or comments down below and make sure that you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any notifications. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.